4 ब्लॉक 2 का MCS 206 का, ठीक है, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग यूजिंग जावा का यूनिट 4, जिसमें है पैकेजेस एंड इंटरफेसेस। ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिसमें पैकेजेस है, एक्सेस रूल इन पैकेजेस, फाइंडिंग पैकेजेस इन क्लास पाथ, क्रिएटिंग ओन पैकेजेस, इंपोर्टिंग पैकेजेस, basic of interfaces in java, and these are some interfaces related topics, extended interface and all of these, ठीक है। तो इसको एक कंसाइज वे में यहाँ पे मेरे पास, एंड यहाँ इसको मैं कंटिन्यू करती हूँ। What are packages and interfaces in Java? A packages in Java is a group of related class and interface. A group of related class and interface. Group of related class and interfaces is packages built together as a single unit. Built together as a single unit. Packages helps in organizing large program, avoiding chaos in many classes. Organizing large program, avoiding naming conflict between classes with the same name. The Java API itself is organized and packaged like Java utils. These are the packages, ठीक है। The Java API itself organizes packages like Java utils, Java IO, Java lang. Types of packages in Java: built-in packages, Java utils, Java IO. User-defined packages created by programmer to organize their own class. Interfaces is similar to a class but only contain method declaration, abstract method and constants. Interfaces is similar to a class but only contains method or method declaration. Key points: an interface cannot be installed. You cannot create object of an interfaces. क्या है? Interfaces is similar to a class but only contains method declaration and constants. Key points: an interface cannot be installed, and an interface cannot be installed. Each interface is compiled with a separate bytecode file. Class implement interfaces to provide the actual behavior of the method declare. Use of interfaces in Java: define common behavior for multiple classes, allow multiple inheritance. Use static and default method for providing reusable code inside the interface. Summary क्या है? Packages group of related classes and interface organize code and avoid naming conflict. Interfaces define a contract that classes can follow, allow multiple inheritance. Packages: a package is in Java is collection of related class, interface and sub packages. A packages in Java is a collection of related class, interfaces and sub packages. Think of it as a folder of file. Package: think of it as a folder of folder in a file dictionary. Just as a folder group related to files, a package group related to Java class and interfaces. The package statement in Java specify the directory path for a class and define a namespace where classes are stored. Benefit of using packages: organize related class together, avoid name conflict, make code more maintainable. Type of packages: built-in packages provided by Java API to simplify programming. Okay, जैसे कि java.lang fundamentals, classes of Java, java.io classes for input output in operation, Java utils, utility class like collection, date, and all these. Okay. Packages are these: applet availability, user-defined packages created by the programmer to organize their own class and interfaces, help in categorize and avoiding naming conflict. Java class, IGPACs, ये सारा कुछ हो गया. Accesses rule in Java, rules in packages. एक बार इसको देख लेते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं. Interfaces group of related class, interface, organize code and avoid name conflict, define a contract method of implementing that class can follow, allow multiple inheritance. Access rule in packages. Packages in Java group related to class, interface and sub packages. When class are put into a package, Java class rule determine which class and member can be accessed from where. When class are put into a package, Java access rules determine which classes and members can be accessed from where. Packages and another layer to access, control and help in data encapsulation. Packages are another layer to access, control and encapsulation. Classes: container of method and data. Packages: container for class, container of method and package. A package: container of class and subpackage. Visibility categories in packages. Java provides visibility rule for class member based on the relationship between class and package. Java provides visibility rule for class member based on the relationship. Java provides visibility to class member based on the relationship between class and packages. Subclasses in the same package, subclasses in different package, non-subclass in the same package. Classes that are neither in the same package are not subclasses. Access modifier and scope. Private. Access private, default, private, public, default and protected. Accessible only within the class. Default, no modifier specifier. Accessible within the same package. Defaults within the same package. Protector, accessible within the same package and in subclass of other package. Accessible within the same package and a public, accessible from anywhere. Finding package and class path. ठीक है, when you develop a Java application, you often have many classes. To organize them, you create packages. Packages help to access, control and avoiding naming conflict. The problem: when you compile and run Java program, the Java compiler need to know the root location of the package hierarchy. The root location is controlled by environment variable called class path. What is class path? Class path tell the Java runtime where to search for class and resource. Class path tell the Java where to search for class and resources file. It is the path used by application class loader to locate class files. Example: using a package. Suppose you create a class under a package name this, you must create a directory name. Suppose you are creating a class, so you enter the package, your name under the package your name is this, you must create a directory name exactly with the same name. Place your Java file this inside the JPEG directory. Compile your file. Compile Java this. After compiling, is stored in this. Problem: if you run this, you get an error. If you could not find the load this. Why? Because this is inside the package. This. It is not simple class anymore. Setting class path. Class path must point to the top of the class hierarchy. Key takeaways: the package name must match the directory name. Package name must match the directory name. Class path must point to the root directory of your package hierarchy. Use fully qualified class name this while running the class inside. Finding package and setting class path. When you create a package and put a class this inside it, the directory name must exactly match the package name. After compiling, the .class file stores the same directory. If you try to run this inside this, you will get error, could not find the main class path. And creating own package group related class inheritance and sub package for better organization. Group related class interface and some packages for better organization. User defined packages are created by programmer to avoid naming conflict and manage code efficiently. Package statement must be first statement in a Java source file. Only one package statement per source file is allowed. Important packages. To use classes from built-in package and user-defined packages, Java provides to import statements. Rules. Import statement. To use classes from built-in packages, user-defined packages, Java provides the import statement. Import statement must be written after the package installation. It must be written before and after class identifier. You can write multiple and import statement. Import package class. Import package Java package to utils class name या फिर this. Import all classes from Java util. All dot star मतलब all. हाँ, import only calendar class util के अंदर classes है तो classes को करेगा. Importing user defined packages addition dot java package my package public class addition. Use this package in another program. Test package dot java use the packages in another program. Test package dot java import package dot addition. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे बना addition dot java package my package dot addition. my package के अंदर ना addition है. ओके तो addition हो गई है. java addition creates addition java d basic of interfaces in java. In java both classes and interfaces are used to build program. Interfaces look like symmetric class, but in java have variables with values. In the method declaration it can include abstract method, default method and static method. Difference between class and interfaces: both have abstract and normal method. Has only abstract method. Members can be public, private or protected. All members are public by default. Describe the attribute, the behavior of an object. Describe the behavior. Key points about interfaces: all interfaces variables are public, static and final. Many classes implement the same keyword. Interfaces versus abstract class. Interfaces implements and abstract inherited using extend. All members are public. We can have public, private and protected member. Variable are always final, can have a final variables. Fully abstract cannot be. Insert. Interfaces tell what to do and how to do. Classes that implement and interfaces must actual code. Define an interface. An interface in Java create using the interface keyword. It looks similar to the class, but none of the method have a body. Extending interfaces in Java. In Java, interface can extend another interface using the extend keyword. When a class implements an interface that extends another interface, it must provide implementation for all methods. Default interfaces in Java. क्या है? Earlier you learned the interfaces method are public and abstract by default. Why default method are neither? If you need a new method existing interfaces or क्या है यहाँ पे? Issues of multiple interfaces in Java. In OOP, multiple inheritance means a class can inherit from more than one parent class. However, Java does not support multiple inheritance with class. Java does not allow multiple inheritance with classes, but it allows multiple inheritance through interfaces. If two interfaces have the same default method, the implement class override and it can use interfaces. Super method can use of static method in interfaces. A static method in an interface is the method that belongs to the interface itself, not to the classes that implement it. Declare using the static keyword provides its own implementation and cannot be overridden by any implemented class. A static method in an interface. A static method in an interface is a method that belongs to an interface itself. A static method in an interface is a method that belongs to the interface unit, not the classes that implements it. It is declared using the static keyword. Declare with the static keyword inside the interfaces. It can complete definition. It cannot be overwritten. Think of an ATM machine system. The ATM interface might have static method display bank name. The method always shows the same bank name. The method always shows the same bank name. It does not change the matter which ATM branch use it. Think of an ATM machine system. The ATM interface might have a static method called display bank name. This method always shows the same bank name and does not change no matter which ATM branch use it. So it belongs to the interface ATM rules, not the individual ATMs. That is all for packages and interfaces.